Every silent pause leads the divine feminine to surrender. Every doubt leads the divine feminine to surrender. Every tower moment and every chaotic moment, when the emotions and the system, the emotional system, the nervous system starts to deregulate, it leads to surrender. Where does surrender lead the divine feminine? It leads the divine feminine to inner union. You see, this journey, yes, it is the most chemistry you have ever felt. It is the deepest love. This love that you feel is way beyond anything earthly. It is a cosmic connection. It is a journey of one soul. But this one soul journey is now going on a journey to know thyself, to move into that God essence frequency. And why the eyes are so activating, why the throat is so activating, why the touch is so activating, because it activates the God essence frequency within you. The God essence frequency that is the divine frequency. And you now are on a deep inner journey to self, to know thyself. It is what the Bhagavad Gita teaches. It is what Jesus came here to teach. It is Christ conscious frequency. And why you are feeling this energy, this powerful energy moving through you so deeply at a soul level. When the mind doubts, when the mind throws out, this is crazy. But the soul is always guiding you. And yes, there is a lot of pink fluffy stuff out there. Yes, there is a lot of stuff that will keep you in energetic looping over and over and over again. The way that the journey shifts and changes is when divine feminine goes, I reclaim my light. I reclaim my power. I surrender to the journey. But I don't surrender in a waiting energy. I don't surrender in a victim energy. I surrender in an energy of frequency of that God essence, to know thyself, to know that Christ conscious frequency that is now moving through my Ida and Pingala with that beautiful frequency of Shakti and Shiva. You see, this journey is way beyond what the mind wants to tell you. And unless you fully surrender, and surrender always leads you to that inner union with self. If you need more help and support, then my website is there. Everything is on there to help and support you at a deep soul level. It's not just pink fluffy stuff. It is deep inner work. And this activation is an activation so you, as that divine feminine, can fully embody and walk the path of that Christ conscious frequency here on earth. If you need more help and support, my website is the 3Ws catsacredsoul.com. We are currently doing 30 days in a union, and in just over 25 minutes, I am live answering, supporting, really working deep for over an hour, helping and supporting everybody as they move through the journey in a powerful divine feminine frequency. I look forward to supporting you and walking this journey with you. Much love, many blessings.